Services. Now, Soham Ganguly has about 65 shares, and this is at a price of 455. Now, in the recent couple of sessions, if we see, Dreamfolks has been in focus, but for the wrong reasons. Now, the company did announce just a few days earlier that it has shut down its domestic lounge business as well. Since there, it's in a downward trajectory. I've seen the stock currently trading at a price of 112. Rajesh, let me come to you on this particular counter. What is your view on this?
I think one needs to avoid, as a lot of negative news flow is coming for this counter, and looking at the major supply in last couple of days. Stock is in downtrend. Series of lower top lower bottom formation is taking place in this counter, which clearly shows that there is a sustained supply pressure is taking place in this counter. Maybe we may see further more lower trajectory for this counter. So at this juncture, I would say avoid it. Maybe it can go down below 100 kind of level also in the continuation of this down move. Until the stock not crosses above 150 zone, there won't be any change in the stance, and stock may exhibit on the weaker bearish side for near term to short term also.
Got the view, Rajesh. The next query is also on WhatsApp. It's coming in from Bengaluru. Satpati is writing into us for a query on Patel Engineering. Now, they have been holding the stock for the last couple of years, and the average price for the viewer is roughly about 47 rupees per share. And stock's not gone away from those levels for a while now. And they are saying that there hasn't been any positive momentum. Should they hold on to the stock? They can hold for another couple of years, and that's the query. Lancelot, let me come to you because there have been some structural challenges, at least on the fundamental side for this one. Do you have any view on Patel Engineering?
Yes, I think I agree with you that since we are seeing some amount of concerns on the structural changes which the company is facing going forward. It is better to stay away at this point in time till there's a lot of clarity about how things are going to pan out for the company.
So that's the view for Patel Engineering. Now, the next question, if we see, is regarding JSW Energy. And this is, in regards to long-term perspective that Raj Mahindra wants to understand whether is it a good time to invest in this stock at these current levels. Lancelot, your view on this?
So I think JSW Energy is definitely in a very sweet spot. It has been growing the renewable energy book. It is, being able to procure assets or get energy assets at much lower cost than other competitors in the market. So yes, the opportunity is big, and the growth prospects are good. However, when you look at the the valuations of the company, they seem to be a little bit still a little bit on the higher side, and it's very important that one looks at an entry point when at maybe a little lower levels, because then only you can get the benefit of the upside. Otherwise, if it's already trading at a higher multiple, there is a possibility that going forward also it will take a couple of years before you start to see the benefits.
Time for the rapid